Hi, I've been invited to try and test the new Samsung Smartthings. These are the new level of home automation that are being introduced via Samsung that are controlled by an app from your telephone, or iPad or Android, iOS and alike. I'm going to be showing you today an unboxing of this. Bit of background about me: I'm big into home automation. I have the whole Hue series of lights, which are basically controlled from my app and have a series of actions assigned to them. Alongside that, I have the Logitech Harmony Ultimate series, which controls all the media in the home. I'm a big fan of Apple, unfortunately, so I've been roped into the whole AirPlay and Airport Extreme. So everything in my house sort of talks to one another. So I'm really interested to know how Samsung Smartthings can actually integrate with everything else that I've got to make it a much more streamlined process. Or will it in fact make it a little bit more clunky to automate my home? So what I'm going to be showing you today is I'm going to be unboxing this, showing you what's inside, and as time goes on over the next 6 weeks while I'm testing the product, I will be posting some reviews, and I'd also like to hear some of your ideas once you see some of the kit and what it can do. What would you use it for? And if there's things that I think I can find useful, then I'll try to adopt those and put them into the model so you can see how your ideas would work too. So what do we get in the box? Well, we start off with the hub here. We have the SmartSense motion detector, so that will obviously pick up motion and send alerts to your phone. You can also assign actions to that. You've also got the SmartSense Multi, which is a bit like an alarm on a window or a door, but you could also have messages sent to your phone or actions assigned to that when that's tripped. We've got the smart power outlets. So this is very similar to the remote control plug sockets you can get out on the market, but this will allow you to control it via your phone or as again through an action. And then we have the SmartSense Presence, which from what I've seen could be used like a key ring, could be attached to your dog, anything, so you could locate anything anywhere. So that's the package it comes in. It's a quite simple package. We've got obviously some design work on there and a little bit of technical information on the back. First of all, we will slip this off. Okay, there we go. As I'm testing the product, I'm going to try and keep all the packaging nice and neat. I have to say, it's very Apple-esque in its appearance of the box. Looks very smart, and it opens very simply. It feels like there's a magnetic clasp there. So let's open up and see what we have. I'm going to hold this up to the camera so you can see it as I do it. So on this side we have our hub. Our hub is about 6 inches by 5 on the back. We have 2 USB ports, an Ethernet port, reset switch and power. Underneath that we have the instructions, activation codes, some batteries, and I imagine the batteries are so the hub can operate if you lose power. Not quite sure how that works when connected to a router via the hub, but we will wait and see as we start to use the equipment. So you see in here we've got power cable, adapter and the batteries as mentioned. So that's one piece of the kit. The other side, now this is impressive. This is smaller than I thought it would be. We have the power socket. It's a little bit bulky. I imagine there are buttons on the side. I imagine there's some sort of pairing buttons to pair with the hub. The plastic coating feels very, very soft to the touch. Very, very impressive and solid build quality. This is the, and what we be calling this is the SmartThings Presence. So this is the key tag, or something you want to put around your pet. There is a tag on here that says remove to pair, so presumably there's some sort of battery or isolation in there. Okay, this is the SmartSense motion detector. This again, very small, very petite. It's got a wall mount on the back which will come in handy, so you could use this to monitor a room for security, or if you just wanted to know somebody was coming in and out. If you've got pets, maybe useful for them as well, but we'll find out as we go on. And here we are, we have the pair sensor for the window and door. So again, when that's tripped, you can send notifications to your phone, and you can also assign certain tasks. We'll look more at tasks in the next section when I start looking at the app. I say this is all controlled from a free app. I'll be running it on iOS, but it's available also on Android. Also within the box we get a number of fittings as well, and they look like sticky fittings and screw fittings with raw plugs as well, so you can actually do a more secure mount. And that is everything that comes in the box. It looks relatively simple. As I say, I'm going to go away and read the instructions thoroughly, and advise anybody else to do so. There are no monthly charges to this service. Once you buy each part of the, or each one of the SmartThings, that is it, it's yours, you've purchased it. And from what I've read, I think it's about up to 200 devices can be connected to the one hub. So you could have a number of plug sockets or a number of motion sensors. And there are other items out on the market. I still need to do my research on that. So I'll be testing this for the next 6 weeks, and I will be sharing it with you. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video, and I look forward to posting more as the test progresses. See you soon.